Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Tuesday. The S&P 500 ended 1.4% higher. The Dow closed out Tuesday up 1.2%. The NASDAQ-100 closed the day 1.5% higher. And the Russell 2000 ended Tuesday up 1.2%. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, energy was the leading sector as oil moved back above $80 a barrel after falling to an 11-month low on Monday when Saudi Arabia denied reports that OPEC and its allies were considering increasing production. And today, Saudi Energy Minister Prince Abdulaziz bin Salman said, in fact, a production cut by OPEC Plus could be possible. Materials and tech also rallied over 1%. Goldman Sachs says investors are assuming a somewhat pro-cyclical stance by leaning into energy, tech, and materials, and that even though stocks on a whole were looking up on Tuesday, it's likely due to low volumes during the shortened holiday week and a lack of macro news. Looking at more stocks on the move after earnings, Best Buy shares closed up 13% on Tuesday on better than expected earnings. Now, while the company did see inflation pressures straining consumer spending, electronics demand held up and the company stuck to its holiday quarter outlook. It also resumed its share buyback program, but it's sitting on a high inventory level, and that concerns investors. Life sciences electronics maker Agilent Technologies shares closed 8% higher Tuesday, seeing its largest percent increase since March 2020 on its better than expected earnings. The company delivered double-digit core revenue growth. Several analysts upgraded the stock. And Dollar Tree shares closed 8% lower. Although earnings were surprisingly strong, same-store sales growth was the problem. The company brought in more revenue, however, had less foot traffic. Analysts believe pricing tweaks have made income statements at Dollar Tree look better, but sustained traffic growth would really move the needle on longer-lasting gains. Let's look at what to watch for on Wednesday. It's a busy day for economic data ahead of the Thanksgiving holiday, with the MBA mortgage apps, durable goods, and jobless claims being released before the bell. At 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time, the PMI Composite Flash will be released, followed by new home sales and consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. Eastern. And before the bell, keep an eye on Deere earnings. The stock has been one of the best performers this year, up over 20%. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to TDAmeritradenetwork.com.